Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to share some wax seal stamps that I shared on my channel some time ago. They are from Craspire, guys. Craspire has a lot of things on their site. You can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase if you're interested in any of these things or anything off their site, guys. They mainly specialize in, I want to say, wax sealing and wax stamp stuff, but they do have a lot of other products in their site. So let me show you guys what I have from them. This is a really pretty bow. These are all stamps. So at one point I really was trying to build my stash of wax seal stamps, and so these are more geared towards Christmas, but you can use this, you know, for anytime. So this beautiful bow, and then these, you really don't have to get a lot of these wooden things, you guys. You definitely do not need one for every single stamp you have. A lot of times I just pour my wax and then put my stamp like that, and it works just fine. But this, I think, was a set, if I'm not mistaken. I will have linked down below the unboxing video. It's been quite some time, but I thought, what a perfect time to bust these out and play with them, and that's what I did. So this one is a cute little gingy scene one. There's like a Christmas tree, there are some stars, and then there's two little gingies floating around. You see those? Really cute. Then we have this one with a snowflake. This one has to be one of my favorites from the set. So beautiful. Then we have this one here. This is a really cute scene. It has a Christmas tree. It's kind of hard to see. This really cute Christmas tree. And then on the side, there's a reindeer, Rudolph, and Santa poking out the side of the tree. So hopefully you can see that. And then this one is really cute. It comes with like this branch, this like Christmas tree pine branch, and then there's ornaments dangling down from it. Then we have this scene here, got it upside down. This is like a night scene, I would say, like a, you know, sky scene. And so there's the moon, there's Santa and his reindeer, there's some pine trees, Christmas trees, and then you got like a bunch of snow and snowflakes. I hope you guys can see these well. You can kind of see it there. And then the last one for the set is this one here. And it says Merry Christmas in the middle. On the Merry, there are some antlers, and there's some ornaments hanging from the antlers. There's a Christmas tree, a bow, just a really cute little Christmas scene. So that is a set that comes together. I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested. If you are not in Christmas mode, if you are on, you know, whatever, just check out the site, guys, because they have, like I said, tons and tons and tons of things on their site. And then I had to snatch these mini ones, guys. I have to truly say that I am obsessed with these tiny stamps from Craspire. They're so bomb. I have maybe like 4 or 5 in my stash, including these. And I need to get more. I need to. Look at how cute this is. This is my favorite from all of these. It is so cute. And so with these, you use them the same way that you do the regular wax seals. They're just going to give you a smaller one. You'll pour a smaller amount. This one is a Santa's face. I'm not sure if you can tell. And then the last one is this cute little deer. And behind the deer, there are a bunch of snowflakes. So adorable, you guys. So those are the stamps that I picked out and they sent me. And let me show you guys what those tiny ones look like. Well, actually, all of them. So I've been playing with a collection that has baby blue and pink. And so that's what I wanted to do with these. I wanted to keep it in theme with the baby blue and pink. So we have this one. And I use this that I got from another company. I'll have a link down below with my code as well if you guys want to snatch it. You may be able to find it on the site. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I've been on the site, you guys. But look at how cute. Love it. The little gingies are so adorable. And then we have this one. Oh, and I want to tell you guys, I learned this from my friend Elaine. I forgot that you can take some heat. If you ever get some that are like weird edged or whatever, you can take a lighter and just very lightly, like you see how there's like a really harsh edge? You can soften that by melting it a little bit. Ooh, let it dry. Don't touch it. Like, let's see. See, like this is like a really sharp edge. And you can just, and it softens it and like melts it and softens it some. So I think Elaine's name is Scrap and Craft. I'm gonna have her link down below, guys. I'm sorry, Elaine, I forgot your channel name, girl, for a second. Then we have this one here. Look at the cute little scene. See Santa's poking out, and then the reindeer, you can see it really good there. So let's try that with this too. So you see how the edges are like really sharp. It rounds it out, softens it a little bit. Okay. Here goes that bow. That bow has to be one of my favorites, you guys. Beautiful bow. Then here goes that beautiful snowflake. And I think I did a couple of the snowflakes because, like I said, one of my faves. Here's one that doesn't have, I did something without the gold as well. Okay. Sorry, guys. Got a lot of projects going on, a lot of videos I'm trying to create. So my desk is usually full of tons of things. All right, here goes this branch. This one is so cute, you guys. I just love this design. Got the pine branches and then the ornaments hanging down is so cute. Okay. And then the last one from that set is the scene, the sky scene that I was telling you guys. You can kind of see the Santa and his reindeer, all the trees, and then the rest is snowflakes and like snow. Okay. And I also use this thing that I have in my stash. I can't remember if I got it from Ali or Temu. I'm not sure, but again, check Craspire, see if they have some of these things. So that's the sets of all the wax stamps, the bigger ones. And then I want to show you the mini ones. They're so adorable. I did them all pink and the blue. There goes the Santa. And that Santa's kind of hard to see, so let's actually get a gold pen. Hopefully I can find it. And let's just lightly brush over. And this is the mini ones, okay, guys? Just lightly brush over the image. Okay. They definitely sell the metallic pens, paint pens on the site. If you guys don't have any, you can see a little bit better. But that's supposed to be the Santa's face. And then here goes without the gold. So you see how small they are in comparison to a regular size. I love it, guys. I'm obsessed. And these are all just the same, just different color variations. That was my favorite, guys. The snowflake is so cute. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and share these with you guys. I don't know, I'll probably do another video and package these somehow, some way, and do that process live with you guys or on a pre-recorded video. But I made a ton of them. Look, they're so pretty. You guys got to let me know if I should leave these blank or put the metallic marker on it. I'm actually going to put some caca silver. You guys know I hate silver. I think that I got these from Craspire as well. It's been so long. I had these in my stash for so long. I can't remember. But this collection that I'm playing with does have silver. It's pink, baby blue, and silver. Can't believe I'm using caca silver, you guys. I've had these in my stash for some years. Maybe going on 2 years now. I think just the snowflake ones, I want to do some of them. But they're so cute, you guys. You guys got to let me know what you think about these. Which one is your favorite? I'm obsessed with the tiny ones. I cannot lie. But they have really great, like sets. Like the one that I showed you. Let me shake this up a little bit. Here we go. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Really short video for you guys. I just wanted to show you what's out there available. And again, check their site because they definitely have tons more new things. Like I said, I had these in my stash. I didn't get to play with them. And so now I'm playing with them. All right. So I love you guys. Use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off if you're interested. And again, leave me a comment down below and let me know which one is your fave. Bye, everyone.